Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a What's in the Box on Zodiac's SpaBot. So stay tuned, we're going to open this thing up and show you guys what comes included. All right, guys, and we're back. So today we've got Zodiac, Fluidra, J&D, Polaris. We've got their SpaBot. This is their all-new wireless, lithium-powered robotic cleaner that is meant for above-ground hot tubs, smaller in-ground spas, and it can even be used on some smaller bodies of water. So I just want to show you guys what comes in the box and just kind of walk you guys through all the parts and pieces. So let's go ahead and jump in. So really cool technology that they're bringing to the industry here with a fully wireless cleaner. This one doesn't have any type of app capabilities. This one's a, charge it once before use and then have to recharge it again when you want to use it again. So it's kind of nice because it's so small and compact that it actually gives just a quick clean for you. And then obviously it'll go away. So then you'll take it out, charge it up, and you'll be done with it until your next use. So all right, so as you guys can tell, real simple, 3 items come included in the package. So obviously you've got your registration. So you guys always want to make sure you do that. Let me open this up. There feels like there's something else in here. So, just your instruction manual. So it's going to give you warranty information, which again, always fill this stuff out. Get this stuff sent into them right away. So then that way, if you guys have any issues within those first year, you guys can contact them and they'll take care of you. So then of course they give you the full actual owner's manual that'll walk you through how to do some maintenance and simple things for it, recommendations for, how to actually use the cleaner. So they do give you a nice little charger here. It's real simple. It's 110. So you're just going to plug this into your normal wall outlet outside. It's just got the 2-prong. And then of course, it's just got this nice push to put into the charger. So really simple for you. But here's the cleaner. So it's got the notorious blue from Polaris, which is really nice. It's got that dark blue color. It's got this fancy stuff. I won't take that off for you, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It's small. So this isn't meant for any type of super deep cleaning. It's meant for those smaller spas. So then that way you guys don't have to get in there with a manual vacuum and you guys don't have to, put more work into it. Drop this thing in, let it do its thing. So plug it before every use. So that way it's nice and charged, and then drop this thing in there. You just push start on it and then it'll buzz around and clean the rest of the spot for you. So just want to show you guys what comes in the box. Quick little easy video for you guys on the Polaris SpaBot. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton of videos. We'll do some repair videos on this and hopefully even have some of this thing in action. So until then, I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below. And we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.